Luna and Luna Classic rally while some of the top cryptocurrencies in the crypto market still manage to remain afloat above their key support level or lower price ranges. Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain and Web 3.0. As the larger cryptocurrency market maintains a consolidatory stance, more tilting towards the side of bearish, with the global crypto market cap still around the 930 billion US dollar mark. Most of the top cryptocurrencies flashed red, which means losses on their daily as well as weekly chart. However, Luna and Luna Classic were noting massive gains on their daily chart, the reason behind which was something related to Binance, and we will shortly talk about it towards the end of our episode. But before that, let's take a quick look at some of the top cryptocurrencies and how they reacted with the larger cryptocurrency market, and looking at the macroeconomic conditions which were more towards the bearish side. Bitcoin, as we can see, was still around the 19,000 US dollar mark and was trying to make certain strides in the positive direction. However, we can see that there's a 0.48% rise on the daily chart for Bitcoin. On the other hand, for Ethereum, there's a mere 0.84% rise on the 24-hour chart. Both of the top currencies haven't noted any major gains. In fact, they have remained in a range-bound momentum between the support and resistance levels. Bitcoin has tried to break above the $20,000 psychological resistance support line. However, that too has been an issue for the top cryptocurrency amid the larger bearish blues. Moving on, most of the top altcoins in the market like BNB, XRP were all down on their daily chart. BNB was down by 0.47%. On the other hand, XRP was down by 6.5%, which is quite a lot in daily terms. That said, Cardano, despite the rather anticipated Basil upgrade, is still down on the daily, weekly and hourly chart. Solana is managing to make decent gains on the weekly chart. However, it's still down by 0.93% on the daily, and it's lost over 1% ground on the hourly chart as well. Meme token Dogecoin, not much momentum for Doge as well. Polkadot, however, amid certain recent developments taking place in its ecosystem, is managing to make some decent strides in the positive direction. We can see that Polkadot has gained over 4% on the daily chart and over 2% on the weekly chart. As the larger bearish market still continues to play traders and investors, we have seen that the number of cryptocurrencies with over 1 billion market cap have dropped by 55% in 2022 alone. According to data from CoinMarketCap, at press time there were 53 digital assets including Bitcoin with a market cap of over 1 billion compared to 118 on July 2021. This means that the number of assets above the 1 billion US dollar mark have reduced by over 50% in the last few months, starting from January this year. 2 quarters haven't fully completed, and still we're seeing quite a bit of bearish momentum in the cryptocurrency market as compared to 2021, when Bitcoin saw its all-time high and the cryptocurrency market was flourishing. Altcoins were also gaining new all-time highs. Comparative to that, we have seen quite a bit of shift in terms of the sentiment as well as in terms of capital that was flowing into the cryptocurrency market, and this fall in the crypto assets above the 1 billion US dollar mark is indicative of the same fall in the sentiment towards bearish side of the cryptocurrency market. Apart from that, the cryptocurrency market cap has continued to decline in the last 6 months or so. Since the November all-time high for Bitcoin, we have seen that the larger cryptocurrency market cap as well as Bitcoin's market cap and market dominance have declined considerably. One reason behind Polkadot and Polkadot's recently gained momentum was that Tether has finally went live on the Polkadot blockchain, and this was revealed by a recent blog that Tether shared. That said, it was not just the retail crowd or short-term investors that were losing interest in the larger crypto market as well as Bitcoin. Certain institutional players were also sort of losing interest in the top cryptocurrency as prices continued to struggle. We can see that the grayscale revenue from GBDC and Ethereum have been constantly dropping from January. In January and prior to that, around March, they had seen a major uptick and were recording new peaks. However, especially for Bitcoin, we're seeing that there's a lowered interest from the institutional side as well. Another chart that speaks about the weakening institutional interest around Bitcoin is the assets under management of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust chart. We can see that there's a slight, in fact there is a continued fall. If we look at it from November until now, there's a continued fall in the AUM under Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and GBDC or Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is one of the biggest institutional vehicle around the top cryptocurrencies. So losing interest in GBDC or weakening interest around GBDC also points towards a weakened institutional interest in the top cryptocurrency. Finally, it is time to address the elephant in the room, and this particular cryptocurrency has been the elephant of the room for over 2 months now, with the founder and CEO of Terra Luna still on the run, as over 100 countries want him as one of the most wanted people. Seems like the regulatory developments around Do Kwon haven't affected Luna's trajectory much. In fact, CZ or Binance, or rather CZ and Binance, came to the rescue of Luna Classic as they recently implemented a burn mechanism for Terra Classic or LUNC token. In a recent tweet trail, CZ highlighted that they've had a number of discussions around how Binance can better support the LUNC community, and there have been quite a lot of tax burn requests that they were having, and owing to that, CZ came to the rescue of LUNC community and Luna Classic hodlers. The same has in fact impacted Luna Classic's price in quite a positive way. And we see, if you look at the top gainers on the 24-hour chart, we see that Luna Classic or Terra Classic is topping the chart with a massive 33% gains. Terra Classic has in fact noted quite a bit of volatility in the last few months. There have been upswings and downswings constantly in the market according to retail euphoria and high social volumes, and this is one such another case where Luna Classic is in fact noting high return on investment on the daily chart owing to a high social sentiment around the coin due to the recent burn mechanism which is launched by Binance. Whether Terra Classic or LUNC can continue to rally, something that still remains a bit of a question, especially with Do Kwon on the run and him being wanted in a lot of countries. The sentiment around the cryptocurrency and the project is still wielded, so to say. This, my friends, is all for today's daily news wrap. For more such updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more such content. We'll keep you updated with crisp news from the cryptocurrency, blockchain and Web 3.0 market. I'll see you tomorrow with more such content. Until then, bye bye.